Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tay. This video will be about step-by-step guide for online reporting of the 90-day report. And this video I will share what is 90-day report and what information you need to prepare, and then step-by-step guide and the tips that I know for a successful submission, some common issue of the 90-day online report. Well, first of all, what is 90-day report? It's a report done by a foreigner who is staying in Thailand for 90 consecutive days, who is holding the visa of type non-immigrant visa such as ED visa or non-business visa. In that report, we are reporting to the immigration about our current address, and this report can be done by in person, by mail, by some agent, or online. For online reporting, it's really convenient, and we don't need to go to the immigration, so it's cost effective, and also you don't need to wait a long time to report at the immigration. At the immigration is really a long queue, and when you go you will see that it's really long. There are also some features that is good for online reporting. They notify you via email for your next 90-day report before your next 90-day report. So it's a really convenient service you should try. When do you have to notify your 90-day report? You can notify your 90-day report before 15 days and after 7 days of the day expire. So if you didn't notify before 15 days and after 7 days, you have to pay 2,000 baht for the fine. So I used to pay, I late by 1 day and I had to pay 2,000 baht, so you have to be careful about that. If you go out before 90 days, you have to start counting as day 1 from the day you enter and then start again. So to apply for a 90-day report online, you need an account to report at the URL like tm47 immigration.go.th/tm47, and I will give you all the links that you need in the description. So to report online, you need to have an account. So let's make an account first. You have to go to this website called tm47.immigration.go.th/tm47/login. All the links will be provided in the description below. When you get this website, you can go down, and then they will be don't have an account, so we can apply for this. So press apply, then put your email address, email, surname, given name, phone number, then type your this number here, and then you can apply. After you apply, you will get an email that confirm for the account, and then you can click this and then you can continue. So after you get an account, we can start applying for 90-day report online. So I already have an account, so I will log in. This is the homepage of the 90-day report online, and here you can see notification of staying in the Thailand over 90 days, TM47. Here is a TM47. You can have the blue one, the green one. The blue one is to apply a new one. So we are now trying to apply a new one. So click the new application, TM47. Here there's some important note that you can read. So here you have to fill the passport number, for example AB123. Your nationality, for me is Myanmar. And then you have to put your surname A, B, C, and then put your gender. And put your date of birth and your arrival date. You can find it on the passport. They will give the stamp, and then the visa expire time. And then there will be building name and owner name. I want to address here, like this one is really important. Always put your room number here. I heard that most of the time it get rejected because you don't put the room number. So try to put the room number here, and also you also need to have TM30. It's a report had to be done by the owner of the building or the condo owner, and then they have to report to you as soon as you go to the room. So it's the important report. You should ask your room owner about that, and also put address number, SOI, province, city, district, and the phone number, and then you can just click if the contact person or contact information is the same. After that, you can apply, submit. As soon as you apply, you will get an email that they got the TM47 or you got the report. It's not the email that they tell you that they already approved. it's not approved yet. They just send you the notification. So like don't mistaken is that they already approved. They're not approved yet. So you can check the status of the application on the green one. Here you will see that like after you apply, you will see the TN47. This TN47 is a form that they receive, and then after approve, you will see the receipt of the notification. So you cannot do 90-day report every time. There's some exception that you should know. For example, the first time when you get to Thailand and then you stay already 90 days, you cannot notify on the first time when you do the report. And then there's another one is like you already stay in Thailand and then you change your passport. And then after you change your passport, you have to go to the immigration to transfer the stamp. After this time, you also cannot do the 90-day report online. In this kind of time, you have to do in person. So be careful about that. When you start applying, they accept your application and they will show the application and they will send you an email that your application is received. But it's not the acceptance letter. You are not accepted yet. So be careful about that. Later, you can check your website. When you get the accepted, you will get the receipt or notification. I would like to recommend you to apply earlier, like 15 days before, because when you get rejected, you still have some time to go to the immigration in person. So that's all for today's video. So there are some important notes as a summary. So include your room number. TN30 is also important, and you cannot do it on the first time or when you change your passport. And then the first email that you get is not the approved email, and later they will send you the approved or rejected email again. If you get rejected, go to immigration. Don't be late. You have to pay fine. Yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope it's useful for you when you apply 90-day report online. If it's useful, please like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.